In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a limit order on Fidelity. This is a valuable skill that allows you to control the price at which you buy or sell a stock. By using a limit order, you can set specific price points for your transactions, ensuring you only buy or sell when it meets your criteria. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to the Fidelity website by logging in to fidelity.com. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Trade section. To do this, click on Accounts and Trade. From there, select Trade. This is where you'll begin setting up your limit order. Next up, you'll need to enter the stock you're interested in. Type the ticker symbol of the stock, such as AAPL for Apple. Here, you'll also have to decide whether you want to buy or sell. This decision will guide the rest of your order setup. Choosing the right stock and action is crucial as it sets the foundation for your investment strategy. Now, let's move on to choosing the order type. Look for the section labeled Order Type. In this area, you will select Limit. Opting for a limit order means you are specifying the price at which you are willing to buy or sell the stock. This step is important because it ensures you do not pay more or receive less than your desired price. After selecting Limit, it's time to set your price. You'll see a field called Limit Price. Here you enter the price point you're aiming for. For example, if you are placing a buy limit order, you might set it at $150. This means you will only purchase the stock if the price is $150 or lower. Conversely, for a sell limit order, you may set it at $155, ensuring you only sell if the price reaches $155 or higher. Setting your limit price correctly gives you control over your investment decisions. With your price set, the next step is to enter the quantity and time details. Decide on the number of shares you want to trade. Then, choose the time in force for your order. You have options here: day or good till canceled, often abbreviated as GTC. Selecting day means your order is active only for the trading day, while GTC keeps it active until it's filled or you cancel it. Understanding these options helps you align the order with your trading strategy. Finally, it's time to preview and place your order. Click on Preview Order. This step allows you to review all the details carefully. Make sure everything is as you want it before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, click Place Order. This ensures that your order is submitted with confidence. Before we wrap up, there are a few important things to know. A limit order is not guaranteed to fill. Buy orders will only fill at your specified price or lower, while sell orders will only fill at your price or higher. If the market never hits your price, nothing happens. This is essential to remember as it impacts how and when your order will execute. Thank you for joining me today. By mastering limit orders on Fidelity, you've taken a significant step towards more strategic investing. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.